Philippine National Police or PNP Chief General Romel Marbil sees the extension of his term as an opportunity to help the National Police upgrade its preparations for the 2025 midterm elections and strengthen crime prevention in the country. This comes after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. extended his tenure for 4 more months. PTV's Ryan Lisiges has more.
Nagpapasalamat po ang ating GPNP sa patuloy po na tiwala at kumpiyansa po ng ating Pangulo sa kanyang liderato.
PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil will use his 4-month extension to establish proper security measures for a safe and peaceful elections in May. This, Marbil stated after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. extended his term as Chief of the Philippine National Police. According to Police Regional Office 3 and PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the police force is continuously preparing to implement adequate security measures for the election. The PNP's campaign against loose firearms, private armed groups, and criminal gangs will also continue to prevent them from being used by corrupt politicians.
One of the main consideration why yung service po ng ating GPNP ay na-extend po for at least 4 months is to make sure po na yung patuloy po nating ginagawang security preparation for election ay hindi po magkakaroon po ng biglang change of leadership at makakaapekto po doon sa ginagawa natin pong preparation.
Aside from ensuring a properly conducted election, Marbil will also ramp up crime prevention efforts and community engagement to maintain peace and order in the country. The PNP chief also vows not to overlook disciplining police officers and cleaning up their ranks. Brigadier General Fajardo also denied that Marbil's 4-month extension would have a significant impact on the promotions of senior officers. In fact, both PNP personnel and officials fully support Marbil's term extension.
May mga nakalatag po tayong mga programa, lalong-lalo na po dito sa mga organizational structure po na gustong ipatupad po ng ating GPNP. So, bagamat yan ay 4 na buwan, yung mga programa naman pong inilatag po niya ay inaasahan po natin na ito po ay magtutuloy-tuloy. Kasama na yan, of course, yung ating patuloy na pagpapalakas ng ating mga internal disciplinary mechanism to make sure na yun lamang pong mga karapat-dapat sa hanay po ng kapulisan ang mananatiling miyembro po ng Philippine National Police.
Marbil is the 30th PNP chief and a member of the Philippine Military Academy Sambisig class of 1991. He assumed the position in April following the retirement of former PNP Chief Police General Benjamin Acorda Jr. From PTV Manila, Ryan Lisiges, Balitang Pambansa.